is Malcolm Taylor. Today I'm going to be cooking some Nigerian jollof rice. This recipe is from a Nigerian recipe maker named Yewande Komolafe. She was born in Lagos, Nigeria. Her recipe is a bit different. She uses an oven to cook the rice rather than cooking it on a stove. But before we get to cooking, I need to grab a few ingredients. So let's go. For the jollof rice, 1/2 cup of canola or other neutral oil, 2 medium red onions, peeled, halved, and thinly sliced, 4 garlic cloves, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, which is optional, 3 cups of parboiled long grain rice, basmati or jasmine rice, about 1 1/4 pounds, 5 fresh thyme sprigs.
Excuse me. Do you know which one of these? Do you know which one of these is thyme?
Thyme.
1 fresh bay leaf, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, 2 cups of beef, chicken, or vegetable stock. Alright, I am back from the store. As you can see, here are my ingredients. Now, all that's missing is my cooking uniform. Transform! I'm ready to go. Let's get cooking. First up for this recipe, we're going to be making obe ata. It's an essential sauce that is used in many Nigerian dishes, and it acts as the base for this rice. So, let's get to chopping these ingredients up. An important note that Komolafe mentions is not to cut up the habanero because you want all the oils and the stuff inside of the thing to stay inside and go directly into the puree. So just take the stem off. Now that all the ingredients are ready to go, let's throw them on into the blender to puree it. Now we'll pour the puree into a saucepan and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until it's reduced to about 2 cups. Next, we're going to saute some onions. Half of the onions are going to be set aside for later. The remaining onions in the pan are going to be combined with the garlic, turmeric, smoked paprika, and tomato paste, and we're going to saute those. Once that pan is looking nice and golden brown, we're going to add in the obe ata and simmer that up. Next, we're going to add in the rice, the chicken stock, and stir in the rest of those aromatics. The pot is now going to go in the oven for 35 minutes. Jollof rice is a staple dish across West African countries. Jollof rice is to West Africa what... Okay, yeah, no, I'm not going to do that part. Gorgeous. Rice just came out. Looks gorgeous. Let's give it a try. Bon appetit. Oh yeah. Delicioso. A few things. I think if I bought parboiled rice, it might have been better. Because it's dry and then you put it into the thing. Instead I just parboiled my own rice. So, as you can kind of see, it's just a little bit mushy. Maybe you can't, but I can tell as I'm eating this. This could have been seasoned a little more, I think. I only sort of remembered toward the end to add seasoning. So, it's not as enriched, if that makes sense. But overall, this is delicious. I wish I had something to go with it. It's supposed to be served with like a stewed meat of some sort. In the video, she used goat, but I don't have any goat, and it's like a whole nother recipe. So I just thought I'd do this. But honestly, it's standalone delicious. So thank you for watching. I have feta kuti in the background, my favorite. Yeah, thanks so much. Have a good day. First, we'll be making the obeata, and essentially Niger. Or I already said that.